with desire and the ecstasy of unbridled avarice.
Is they gonna die this year? Again, Simon,
Mommy, what did that Clara give you? Show everybody.
Do you like your hiccups? Hi.
I don't want to. Rocky, show everybody what that Clara gave you.
Yeah. You cute, huh?
Labored under the delusion that I was not only perpetually
So cute.
4 years old,